Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 5. Tundra, the Polar Region. Learning Points. Knowledge Acquisition. Learning Points. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the geographical structure of Polar Region, the climate and vegetation of Polar Region, the wildlife and human settlements of Polar Region, the people of Greenland and their lifestyle, the transport and economy of Greenland. Introduction. The polar or tundra region lies beyond 66.5-degree latitudes in the northern and southern hemispheres up to the poles of the Earth. These are coldest deserts. The North Pole lies in the Arctic Ocean while the South Pole lies in the Antarctic Ocean. The polar regions comprise of the northern Europe, Siberia, Greenland, northernmost part of North America and some places in the southern hemisphere. The tundra region is located in the northern hemisphere which supports vegetation in summer season, and some tundra area is also located in southern hemisphere. The most distinctive feature of the tundra is a layer of permanently frozen subsoil called the permafrost. North America, northern Alaska, Canada, Greenland, northern Europe, Scandinavian countries of Norway, Sweden, Finland and Iceland, northern Asia and Siberia of northern Russia are the major tundra regions of the world. Climate. The tundra regions are the world's coldest regions and the driest as well. The average annual temperature is 47 degrees Celsius. During winters, it may drop down to as 11 degrees Celsius. There are mainly two seasons, winter and summer. Spring and autumn exist for a very short period between winter and summer. The summer lasts for 3 months and the sun shines 24 hours. It hardly sets during the season, thus there is continuous daylight even at midnight. Therefore, these regions are called the land of the midnight sun. Winters are extremely long for about 9 months. As the sun rises above the horizon, there is no daylight throughout in winters and the sun is not seen. The weather becomes the coldest. Very cold winds blow violently and cause heavy snowfall. These are like snowstorm, which are called blizzard. Very thick layers of snow are formed called ice cap. These ice caps sometimes break off into enormous piece of ice called iceberg. These icebergs look like hills of ice floating in water. These icebergs are dangerous for the ships sailing in the ocean. The summer temperature of the Scandinavian tundra averages about 8 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is scanty, that is about 15 centimeters in a year. Vegetation. Tundra region is almost treeless barren land. The frozen ground grows plants with deep roots. About 1700 different species of plants that grow here are mostly shrubs, hedges, mosses, grasses and lichens. During the short summers when the topsoil layer melts, it allows to grow and replenish small flowering plants like lilies, poppies, buttercups, etc. Willow tree about 8 centimeters high grows on some parts. Wildlife. Fur-bearing animals like reindeer, polar bears, white fox, musk oxen, huskies, wolves-like dogs, walruses, Arctic hares, and black flies who can withstand the extreme cold are found in tundra region. Large animals protect themselves by insulation of fat, while small animals like Arctic squirrels survive by burrowing and hibernating during winter. Aquatic animals comprise huge whales, seals, cod and salmon fish. These animals of the polar region either have a thick fat on their skin or a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin which protect them from severe cold. Huskies and reindeers are used by people for pulling sledges. Reindeers are very important for the people of the tundra region because their milk, meat, skin and bones are used by them. Human settlements. In 986 AD, people had settled in the polar regions of the northern hemisphere. Vikings, the mighty warriors from Norway, created the first settlement in Greenland. Greenland is a part of Denmark. It is the world's largest island. Eskimos of North America and Greenland, Lapps and Finns of Finland, and Yakuts and Chukchis of Siberia are important inhabitants of the tundra lowlands. Greenland. Greenland is a part of Denmark that lies between the Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's largest island with an area of about 2,175,600 square kilometers. Its capital city is Nuuk, formerly known as Godthab. The Greenland Sea is to its east and the Labrador Sea is in its south. The Arctic Ocean is in north and the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait to its west, separated from the northern islands of Canada. About 80% of the country's land surface is covered by the ice sheet. Natives of the country, the Eskimos. The native people of Greenland are known as Eskimos. However, most of them have mixed with the Europeans and are known as Greenlanders. They have short height with a fat body. They have narrow black eyes and yellow skin. Eskimos wear special clothes with a hood to cover their head. Their special jackets are called parka, made of seal skin. Greenlandic and Danish are their official languages. English is also widely spoken. Fishing, hunting and mining are the main occupations of the people. Lifestyle of Greenlanders. The Greenlanders mainly depend on animals for food as agriculture is 99% impossible and only 1% possible of the total land area. Potatoes are grown in summers in the southwest coastal regions. People eat food with rich fat content in order to combat the cold climatic conditions. They hunt with a weapon called harpoon. The Eskimos use almost every part of the animal they hunted. Their skin is used for making clothes, topig, tents, and boats. The blubber is used as a fuel. The bones are used to make needle, and harpoon heads and their tendons are used to make thread. In winter season, Eskimos make igloos that are special houses made of blocks of ice cemented together with snow. It has only one door which is very low. People cover its floor with animal skin during summer season. They live in topigs. Transport and economy. There are no roads. Shipping and air services are the main means of transport. Eskimos use kayak, a small boat covered with seal skin for transport and hunting sea animals. The big boat called umiak is used to carry women and children. Wheelless sledges pulled by reindeer and huskies are also used for the purposes. Greenland has deposits of minerals like copper, lead, zinc, platinum, and uranium. Zinc and lead are the main ores mined. The main economy of the country is based on fishing, fish exports, and mining. Modern lifestyle of Greenlanders. The lifestyle of Eskimos has changed in the past few years. They live in permanent houses with electricity. They wear modern clothing and consume tinned food and milk imported from other parts of the world. They use rifles instead of harpoons. Kayaks and umiaks are replaced with motorboats and helicopters. Farms have been established to breed animals. The Eskimos have improved education, housing, and healthcare facilities. They have learnt different arts like carpentry, metalwork, shipbuilding, food processing, mining, etc. Holsteinborg, Sisimiut, is a large port city. Kangerlussuaq Airport is the major airport. Air Greenland operates the domestic flights. Better air facilities connect Greenland to the cities of Europe and North America. Greenlanders are peace-loving people. They live very tough and harsh life but are still very loving and cheerful. Continuous review. The polar region lies beyond 66.5-degree latitudes in the northern and southern hemispheres up to the poles of the Earth. Tundra region is the world's coldest region. Tundra region is called the land of the midnight sun. Enormous pieces of ice are called the icebergs. Reindeers are very important for the people. Greenland is a part of Denmark. The native people of Greenland are known as Eskimos. Eskimos hunt with a weapon called harpoon.
Like, share and subscribe.